Welcome to our video series 29 Web Tricks Volume 1. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of highlighting your web text in colors. I have a very basic web page here, as you can see, called webpage.html. All it has is some text centered, and the text is, "This is some text," and the code for this I have here. Standard HTML document, opens with HTML tag, closing HTML tag. In the head section, there's a title. And I just put page title, which appears here. OK. And in the body section, I have a couple of empty paragraphs there. Just to add some space here. And then, OK, I used the center tag to center the text, and then I have a new paragraph with the text, "This is some text." So, OK, pretty standard. So what I'm going to talk you through is something which is often quite useful. It's how to highlight your text in yellow. So what I do is, or what I would usually do with a paragraph tag, I would do a space, and then I would, well, what you can do then is add style equals quote, background, spell that correctly, background, colon, yellow. OK, style equals, in quotes, background, colon, yellow. So let's save that, go to Internet Explorer, and refresh. So you can see what I have there. It highlights in yellow the whole paragraph. However, you may not want the whole paragraph highlighted, just part of the text. So let's go back to the HTML code, and let's get rid of this. Delete. And let's just highlight in yellow some text. So what you would do here is use the span tag. Span, style equals, background colon yellow. And then make sure you close the span tag, where you want the highlighting to end. Span style equals, in quotes, background colon yellow, and then close the span tag. So let's save, back to Internet Explorer, refresh, and you can see what it does. If we go back to the code, we can change the color. Let's say blue. Back to Internet Explorer, refresh, and OK, it's not very readable, but you get the idea. Back to the code, and rather than using colors as words, you can also add the color in the standard text codes. For example, going from memory, red is the hash symbol and then FF0000. These color codes always start with a hash and then 6 characters. So let's save and try that. And there we go, a red highlight, and again, not very readable. Generally, you'll find, for black text, you'll generally find the highlights to be either yellow, as you've seen, or bright green. So that's how you can highlight some text that you choose, and you can highlight with the color of your choosing. OK, I've quickly loaded up a site of mine, createoffers.com, where I use this feature quite a lot. It works well. You may find many uses for it. It works well on sales pages, a page that's selling a product, or services, or membership site, or whatever. It helps accentuate certain parts of the text obviously. As you can see here, it brings attention to powerful parts of the text. As you can see here, $12,000 profit online, and there as well. It's best not to overuse it. Otherwise, it makes the whole page look a bit over the top. I decided to highlight this paragraph, for example, because it has very strong benefits. So it draws especially someone scanning the page, it draws the reader's attention to what you feel they should pay the most attention to, or what can help grab their attention quickest to then read the rest of the page.